These are dumbbell unilateral tricep extensions, okay? Unilateral just means one-handed. So as opposed to me doing this exercise with two hands, which is not ideal, I'm going to use one hand, which makes it a wee bit better, okay? The idea of this movement is holding the weight overhead like this, allowing the weight to drop down slightly below the neck like that, and then bringing it back up, okay? Couple of things with this, okay? First thing, make sure that you're not going too deep at the back, okay? And that you're not going too high at the top. You don't want to fully lock the arm because I lose tension. So I'm starting the movement around here, and I'm dropping it like so, okay? Second thing is, it is coming down at an angle, okay? So it's not coming across my head like this. It's also not coming way down behind. It's coming slightly across like that, nice and slow, okay? Just like that. And the third thing is, if possible, you want to try and find something that you can lean into slightly. So if I can get something like this to lean on, I now have a much better angle for the tricep. So this is a much better variation if I can lean into the opposite shoulder and then drive it up, okay? I'll get a lot better tension and it's a better movement. So that's dumbbell unilateral tricep extensions.